Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. Today we have an unboxing video here. The new watch from Vanbanner Watches. Also picked up a new knife recently, so let's try this one out. Probably won't use it too much on the channel here, but yeah, let's just try it out here. Let's see if we can do some precision surgery here and maybe save the package. Maybe not. I don't know. All right, let's open it up. And I still have the Parking Master that I received, I don't know, a few months ago. Don't exactly remember. We'll compare those two watches in the near future here. Yeah, Vanbanner logo. And this one's a blue dial. Let me zoom in. I've seen a couple pictures of the purple dial. That purple dial looks amazing. But hopefully, oh, this blue looks really cool too. It's got a nice fume dial or gradient dial. It's lighter in the middle and then darkens as you get out towards the perimeter. Also has a sunburst pattern to it. Very cool looking watch. Looks like it comes with a microfiber cloth. Always appreciate that. Vanbanner stamped on there. And then this little, actually, it's kind of like the hang tag that comes with the Rolex. It's kind of neat. Couple extra links in there, I guess. Maybe those, I don't know what that's about, but anyway, let's take a look at the watch here. I'll pause the video and I'll pull all this. Let's just do it on camera. I don't know if you guys like watching me take all this plastic off, or I guess you can always just fast forward on your own. I feel an urgency to hurry up and rip all this stuff off, so you guys don't have to watch me take it off. That's a neat way to assign the clasp there. Normally they go this way, so kind of off center and on the edge there, a little bit different. Yeah, these shrink wrap jobs are really not the easiest thing to get off in a timely fashion, but protects the watch, which is what it's all about. I think I'm going to pause it because otherwise the majority of this video is going to be me just taking this plastic off. So I'll be right back. Alright, so good thing I paused it. That took quite a bit of effort. And then there was some blue plastic on the crown here, which I had to pick off. So I think I got it all off. A little bit different logo there. I'm not sure what that's about. And I believe these are available for order now. I'll leave a link in the description to the website for these watches here. I really like this watch, actually. It's cool. It's nice and thin. It has a Miyota 9019 movement, which I believe is the 9039. So that would be the no date version of the 9019. There's the 9015 and the 90S5, and then these I believe are a little bit thinner, or maybe they're thicker than the 9015. But anyways, essentially the same movement as the Miyota 9015. Is that an orange second hand or is that red? I'm going to say it's orange. Yeah, this thing is cool. And I believe they are $260. It's kind of funny. He had a Vanbanner had a poll, like you could choose your price or something. Price 1 was $540. Price 2 was $260, and I don't know, like 20 people voted for $260 and 3 people voted for $540 or something like that. I don't know. It was kind of funny. Nice mixture of brushed and polished surfaces. Brushed on the top, polished on the sides here. All right, let's get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. I guess since we have it here, quick look with that, quick look at that. It's probably about a 38 millimeter watch here. Set that guy down and zoom back out. Yeah, actually there's some of that blue tape that I peeled off the crown. This stuff is hard to get off and it seems to stick to everything. So you got a little bit of material in there, but that's fine. 6 micro adjust. Looks like the bracelet tapers a little bit. I'm going to say from 20 to 18 maybe if I had to guess. A lot of links here too. I have a 6.5 inch wrist. I would say you could go up to 8.5 easily with this. Looks like I'll take out maybe all the links except for 2. But anyway, here we go. Nice size field watch. Gorgeous looking dial too. Alright, let's zoom out here. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Helps me out a lot here with getting more watches in for the channel, for review, to share with you guys. And like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this watch. I think it's a good looking watch. I really like this blue color. Alright, that will conclude the video. As always, thank you for taking the time and thank you for watching.